Welcome to ZenTeach. My name is Philip, and I work as a science and psychology teacher at a central London school. And together with Nate, my co-founder, we decided to build a platform that helps teachers and students identify knowledge gaps quickly. And without further ado, we're going to be diving into how to use this platform. Firstly, creating a class, then adding students, finally, how to create a quiz for that particular class. And we're going to then finish up by looking at the report cards that you can send to your students with the automated feedback. So go ahead and use the timestamps in the video description below in case you want to skip ahead to any of these particular parts. Let's go. So first, I'm going to create a class. I'm going to do that by navigating to the Classrooms tab, and you can see that I've already created a bunch of classes. I'm going to click this blue button right here in order to add a new class. Let's do a psychology class, and we're just going to call it Demo for demo purposes, obviously. I'm going to select the subject, in this case, psychology. My U group would be a Year 12 class, and I'm going to select AQA as my exam board, and today's starting date, the 16th of November. There we go. Clicking on my class, I can now add students here on the bottom. Add manually. Let's call him John Doe and give him our standard contact email address. There you go. I'm going to save that. Now, John Doe has been created and we need to verify that student account. So let me just quickly do that and come back. All right, now that the student was created, there's a green verification button here. If you want to add more students, you can do so using the blue button, and we'll soon have an Excel spreadsheet upload button as well, so you can do this in bulk. Next up, let's create a quiz. And for that, we're going to be clicking here on the blue button on the top. Now you get 3 different fields. First, you can add a quiz title. Let's just give it a title and select a topic. Now these are the topics within psychology, and I'm just going to select something that I know works quite well, which is short-term memory basics. There we go. And now the knowledge items are the facts that relate to this particular topic. And so you see there are 4 facts that I've added to this particular topic. Now, when you select them, you're saying, I want my students to be quizzed on these. So I've selected these. I'm just going to finish up the quiz here on the fast track. If you want to, you can take a look and you see that for each of these items, there's 1 question selected. We click on Create, and there you go. Now, if you'd like to change the title, you can do so by clicking here. And let's call this Memory Basics. There we go. And let's actually go ahead and take the quiz. I'm going to click here on this button. Find the Open Quiz in Browser button and enter our email. Fantastic. Now, as you can see, there are 4 questions, each pertaining to one of the knowledge items, and we just randomly select an answer here just to show you some variation. Now that the quiz has been submitted, there's a congrats screen that the students would see. You can close this page, and that's how students would submit a quiz. Let's take a look at one of those student report cards. When you go back into the quiz, you're going to see all of your students listed here. We have now just taken the quiz, and we can view our scorecard right here. Now, as you can see, the first question was answered correctly, therefore there is no feedback. Now for the second question, it's red because it was falsely answered, and there's some very specific feedback that relates to that particular answer they clicked on. So this explains them why the answer they chose is wrong, and it also provides them with the correct answer right afterwards. Do not worry about these brackets. That's just a minor bug. We're going to be fixing that very shortly. That's how you view a report card. Now, you can also send these report cards directly to your student. So I hope this video was clear to you. If you have any questions, please write us an email at info@zenteach.co.uk. We are more than happy to obtain any feedback you might have on how to improve. This is a very fastly evolving platform, and we hope to make this something that you use regularly in your workflow. And we highly encourage you to tell us exactly what you need, because that's exactly what we want to build this for you, so that you have a better time teaching and doing the actually important things rather than having to design your own questions and having to provide individualized feedback. Let us take care of that, and you can go ahead and actually teach, or actually also just take a break. That would also be nice, wouldn't it? All right. See you around. Take care. Bye-bye.